Hey guys, how's it going? I got one more MonoPrice video for you guys. This time, it's a MonoPrice 35ft quarter-inch TRS to quarter-inch TRS professional audio cable. Let me see if I can find the wording on here for you guys. Let's see, professional audio cable, 16 gauge. I'm glad you guys can actually sort of see this. 97.5 coverage. This is shielded. MonoPrice. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, they're both gold plated. Figured I'd show you the construct. This is metal. You actually have a spring here for strain relief. Let me see if I can pull this down. Let's see if I can pull this down for you guys. Not real comfortable doing this, but for you guys, I'd go ahead and do it. As you can see, pretty healthy sized wire. Both are soldered very heavily. So we'll just fit this covering right back on. Slide the spring back on. Screw that back on. And we're in business. And that's all you gotta do if something goes wrong with the cable. And I apologize for hitting the microphone. I'm getting used to this new camera, which I love. Now, another thing you can do with this cable is get a quarter-inch TRS to 3.5mm audio jack cable and use this as a 3.5mm cable, stereo cable. That's my original purpose for getting this, is I wanted to know if I could do it, and I can. You can too. MonoPrice has the adapters. Now they have a plastic and a metal version. The plastics didn't hold up well. I haven't got the metals yet, but I'm pretty sure they'd be better. So my recommendation would go with those. The metal ones. They are more expensive, but I think they might be worth the money. I'm a strong believer in you make your own decision and read reviews. Anyway guys, there's our last MonoPrice video. Later.